Yo, what is good? We are back and we got something new, something different. It's warming up here, so we're doing a lot of swimming, getting outside in the outdoors quite a bit. Today's sponsor, Ricomax, sent us a metal detector that goes underwater, waterproof, up to 100 feet for scuba diving. I always wanted to try one of these out. Not only is it waterproof, but also the color is designed to be easily seen underwater in darker areas. Really easy to set up and use. All you need to do is put in the batteries and hold the unit coil side up for a few seconds. You should see the LED flashing to indicate it's on. This has LED and vibration function. So when you locate a target, it not only has visual flashes, but it also gives you a vibration. So you're not gonna miss a positive signal with this, even underwater. It's designed to have very high sensitivity to help detect even smaller objects. The waterproof shell makes it ideal for any environment, whether it's water, snow, mud, sand, and it's 100% okay with salt water too. The device is set up with auto shut off and alerts when the battery is low. Battery life is up to 6 hours. Has quite a lot of good ratings on Amazon. You can find this GC-2008 model for about $77 right now, and that's 33% off. So take advantage of that sale while it's available. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please give the video a like and subscribe for free. Really helps out the channel. Appreciate the support. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming your way.